total of 6 samples of UK returnee persons have been found to be positive with the new UK variant. 3 of them are in NIMHANS in Bengaluru, 2 are in Hyderabad and 1 is in the National Institute of Virology in Pune. So the UK strain now has been confirmed to have surfaced in India. There are 6 cases, some in Bengaluru, some in Hyderabad and 1 in Pune. That's where this particular strain, this new variant of coronavirus has been found. This particular strain is more contagious than the existing strain of coronavirus. Passengers who come in from the United Kingdom into India were being scanned for this strain, and what's been confirmed now is that 6 samples have been found to be positive with this new UK variant genome. Milind Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Milind, this will trigger a bit of worry. This will be a cause of concern. This strain, which is a lot more contagious than what's currently in India, has been found now in 3 cities.
Well, Akshita, India today was the first one to report that there will definitely be a UK strain circulating in India, because scientists had said that based on the calculation, 60% of the infections in the United Kingdom happened due to the new mutant strain. And after the arriving passenger samples were tested, about 15 to 20 passenger samples were tested after the 22nd of December when the flights were banned. We know now that the 6 of the UK returnees have tested positive with the mutant strain. 3 are in NIMHANS, Bengaluru. 2 were tested by the CCMB labs in Hyderabad, and 1 came out positive at NIB Pune. So certainly it is a cause of concern. It has led to a rise of cases in the United Kingdom, and the mutant strain is more infectious. It's 70% more infectious, so definitely their contacts are also being traced at this point. Every day the number of those testing positive, those who have returned from UK and their direct contact increases. So we'll have to wait and see what the government strategy will be at this point. But all social distancing norms and the protocols that the Union Health Ministry has put in place do not change with this mutant strain, because there's no other way to stay away from it apart from wearing a mask and maintaining social distancing. But certainly the government is taking a step to ensure that each and every one is contact traced and found out whether their positive rate reflects the new mutant virus or not.
But that really is the challenge, Milind, because, you know, what we're picking up, and scientists have confirmed this strain is a lot more contagious. And we talk about 6 samples. That means, and considering they're in different cities, that means every passenger who's on board that flight will now have to be identified. They were perhaps not isolated because initially we did not know about the strain. So there lies really the challenges for the administration.
Well, absolutely. In fact, as of today, also, if you look at the numbers, 31 more UK returnees who had come back after the 25th of November till today had found to be tested positive. And these are the numbers that have still not been genome sequenced. We are talking about the genome sequencing just for about 15 to 20 samples of those that were caught first on at the airport as well as soon as the flight ban was announced. So yes, definitely it's going to be a huge challenge. About 14,000 passengers roughly have returned from the UK between 25th November to 22nd December. So contact tracing each one of them, finding out how many of them have been direct contacts of this mutant virus, is currently something that the government, along with the contact tracing agencies, NCDC, the DSHS, everyone is doing. And definitely it's a challenge, Akshita, but we'll have to wait and see whether, the mutant strain is affecting a lot of people in India, or there may, as scientists have said, there may be other strains that may have originated from South Africa or other countries. They may have also come into India.
Okay, this is a story that we're tracking very, very closely, and we'll get you the latest of what the government has to say. The confirmation coming in is that 6 samples, these are people who had returned from the United Kingdom, had tested positive for COVID-19. Their further tests have in fact confirmed that they are carrying the new mutant strain from the United Kingdom here in India. 3 in Bengaluru, 2 in Hyderabad and 1 in Pune.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.